What's up guys? What's going on? In today's video I want to help you guys create an Arc Games account. So let's get started. The first thing that you guys need to do is go on Google and type in Arc Games. Now click on the first thing that pops up. Okay, now at the top you have sign in or register. You're gonna click on register. And now we can get started. They need an email address, so make sure you fill that in. They need a display name. And after you fill all those in, click on next. Good, now create your own password. Make sure you confirm the password. And they need your birthday. Alright. Good, now check the box with I agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. And I think that's all you need to do. I'm gonna be real with you. Click on register. And you're good to go. You can enjoy all these games and you can have fun. Hope I was helpful. If I was, leave a like and subscribe. And if you need help with anything that require to sign up to, make sure you leave that in the comments. See you in the next one. Peace.